Hello guys, good morning to you all. Is your nurse Jane on the line? I hope you slept well and woke as an eagle. This morning, I bring to you Shelter's natural lozenges. That is a perfect cure for sore throat, cough that is due to allergy, common cold, smoke, or flu. I will tell you method of administration. From 6 years to adulthood, you just need 1 to 2 lozenges. Take it 2 to 3 times in a day. How do you take it? It is orally. You just need to dissolve 1 to 2 lozenges. I'll show you. This is what I mean. You just need to cut it 1 or 2. Then you put it directly inside your mouth. Allow it there. You don't need to chew it. Allow it to dissolve by itself slowly. As it is dissolving slowly and the content enter directly into your throat, you discover that it goes inside there to clear all those congestions in your throat that is making you have sneezing. It clears it directly. Please just like, share, and comment. It is very